Hi guys, Shaph Sassy here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We are on episode 8, the finale of the Social House. It's been a really beautiful ride with the Social House. So I just want to give the Social House team and the influencers a big thank you for entertaining us all with your beautiful personalities and your great ideas. It was a wonderful journey. I'm Shaph Sassy. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my Instagram handles, Shaph and Sassy Versity, if you guys are interested in learning a skill or getting your makeup, lash extensions, microblading, or waxing or brow lamination done by me. Now we're gonna jump into the video. We're not gonna do too much long talking. Yeah, we have to come out. Okay, let's go.
Then for the last lap, so I'm still nervous because I have to win this. I have to win this. I'm just nervous because I don't know what else I'm going to try. I know they're going to show something challenging. So.
Naturally, it's a challenge show.
Them, so I can sing it. It feels lovely to be a finalist. Yes, it's a victory shoes, you know. We're feeling quite victorious today. So we're just here chilling and all. These are the grey and black breads. 1973s, understand? Limited edition.
Something good, sir?
We're down to the finals and nobody's saying anything. They just like, come sit here. So I'm sitting here, I'm trying to figure what's going on because I'm nervous and confused. So talk to me, please.
Where is Rush? May I ask a question then now? What challenges are we doing today? Where is Rush?
Can you check your phone?
Check my phone.
God, I'm nervous. Okay.
Check your phone.
Hello influencers, welcome to your final challenge. Congratulations! You made it to the end and you should be very, very, very proud of yourselves.
Of course, Rush Cam had to do some singing of some sort, of some song, right?
This is the only thing standing between you and $1 million, a sandals vacation, and a weekend test drive with the Mitsubishi X-Cross 2021. Today's challenge is called the Creativity Challenge and it is powered by Flow.
Creativity challenge, I guess.
You have exactly 24 hours to create a video based on the theme long distance relationships. You must use your Flow phone to film and edit. However, you can use additional devices if you want to assist in the filming, and you can use a laptop to edit if you choose. The video should not be longer than 3 minutes, and within 24 hours it must be uploaded to the Flow drive using your laptop. One last thing, you have the option of calling a past roommate to assist you in conceptualizing your video. You guys have 30 minutes together to do this and the person cannot appear in your video. Good luck and all the best. I will see you at the finish line.
I love that. I love that they're actually doing something we have to do with what them do, finally. I remember when I was watching the other one, 876 Roommates, and one of the guy them, I can't remember what his name, Valdemar, he kept on saying, oh, him come and show with influencer and was hoping to do something like to show up him talent, and none of that was going on. So I'm happy to see that they actually do something like that. I actually don't even get to watch the rest of 876 Roommates because you know they take it off you know, actually I was going to buy it but I never want running the risk of putting it here and then copyright issues. So that's why I haven't seen much of that. So that's an update there. But yeah guys, I don't know, I'm happy that they do that. I'm very happy that they do that. So yeah,
Thank you, baby Jesus. Now we have 24 hours because we've been watching the show. You know, them give us some thinking time.
Very
some
true.
15 minutes, some 30 seconds, some 10 seconds. So 24 hours to do a challenge is great.
Okay, I understand. I get it. So basically, it's like a skit.
No, I feel so targeted with that challenge.
Oh yeah, she don't really do them something here, but she's an influencer. I think she's gonna choose. Who do you think she's gonna choose? Dan would be good for Charniki. I think Prince Fine is gonna choose him friend Fat Skull, and she just choose Perry. I think Perry would have done a good job with helping her with that, because Perry do that. Perry had to think that.
Long distance relationship.
Oh, rotted.
Long distance loving, right? And I really messed up with this one again.
Why? I'm gonna call my partner in crime Dan because he's a genius and we create excellent
Videos
content together. So for me, it's a no-brainer, and as a content creator, it's a no-brainer. Yeah.
Probably called Skull. You know, as I said, we usually do videos together.
I told you.
Our video chemistry, and we have like brain chemistry.
Perry! I'm gonna video call Perry.
Definitely. I knew this.
Decline it now. Decline, I lose now.
No, you're not.
Decline it now.
Hi! Because I need you, and this is a social house, and you are necessary at this moment.
I'm not a social house anymore after I eating
No, well, listen. Good morning. I need your help. I need you to come at the house for 30 minutes to help me out with the challenge. 30 minutes alone. For true. Serious, bad.
We need you, Perry. We need you. She definitely needs you. Why am I declaring the call? Wow.
Mine is about to submerge in the water. Find ready. And Fat Skull are the first influencers to reach here. Don't feel it's a dropping. That's I'll be there for you when the rain starts pouring. I'll be there for you like I never did.
Shut on. So extra.
You just be Pablo, man.
I need you, okay? We have a challenge. Very important. This means a lot to me. I need $1 million in my account. I'm gonna give you a small Zoltite. Yes. You do. We can arrange something. 80?
Alright, cool. So I'm putting what I'm for girl.
Right now. Put on your shorts and come.
Alright, girl, I'm gonna pack my things on.
Hurry up.
Let me pack things. You just have come for 30 minutes. What is man?
Alright, so you know, like initially, it's like I know what I'm up against. I know I'm up against two strong contestants. You know, they're good in what they do, and so am I. So you know, everybody creative, and them head start go. And some people they work differently. Me is the type of person when I get a task to do, I like to attack it and put my all in it. I like sit down for work and procrastinate.
See you, Terry. I see you. I'm coming. Hello, I'm home.
So extra.
Come on. Hello. I'm not going to hurt my baby. I'm hurting you. That's it.
There's this clip where you can use. Let me show you on the phone there.
So we start waiting, right? On the side waiting with the suitcase, right? But it's gonna start with the text messages.
You are coming. We're winning the million today.
go over with you what I have so far. I'm nervous.
Hey, girl, I'm on notes now.
Yes.
Alright, we're done. You know me, I come to work. I'll send him a bill.
A small's out of the million.
And that's let's work.
I love that they're so supportive of each other.
Vibe, you get me some dip on the road, I go up on the road. Is I clear my mind, I know what I gotta do now, you get me I say. You can't just stay in the house, I feel par or something, you get me I say so. Just link up on my G's. You see me, how am I tired? Link up on my G's and I go up on the road. Free up my mind, I listen to my song name Long Distance Loving.
Come here, girl, let me give you some long distance loving. Never really see you often, but every time when I see you, I give
Big up to Annie.
you can know from this thing.
Long Distance Loving.
Nice.
Never really see you often, but every time when I see you, I give you this something. You can know from this something.
Long like Jamaica to New York, long like a 2-flight or long.
Love that.
Morning. Alright, it is a little bit after 5 going on 6 and I'm doing some last minute edits and review. I have to hand this in by 12 o'clock, so I'm focused, up and busy. Okay.
Eventually, I had left the house. You know what I'm saying? Too much pressure in here upon my head top. So I had left. So while I was away editing, you know, them calling and say, hey, you know, Sue's here, Pine is here, where are you? So when them video call me, you know, I'm on the toilet, you know what I'm saying, doing what I do.
How's it going? Are you finished?
Almost finished. Just going over the edit right now, putting any final touches, and then off to export.
Okay, so remember you have to come to the house, you know, before 24 hours to upload.
Yes.
Okay.
I will be starting.
Alright, see you soon. Bye.
It's almost 24 hours. It's like 3 more hours until it's time to upload. I just got done with finally editing the video. I actually edited this like 4 different times. 4 different times because it's like my edit and then I finish save it and then one next thing come to me and then I go back and I tweak something again, and this morning, up to this morning, I came back and I shoot an extra shot. And you know, it's
I understand
like
that vibe.
inspiration just keep on come to me. So I hope that at the end of it all that this is the best one. I feel very confident with it. It's the first time doing anything like this.
I'm uploading the video at the moment to the Flow Drive. Feeling nervous because now all 3 contestants are actually putting it together. I have no clue what nobody else did because this was such like, it's such a broad topic, so you could be free to do anything you want to do. So I mean, I know that the other contestants are creative as well.
Very creative. So, yeah. I think they're more creative than you.
But I'm pretty confident about what I submitted. So let's see.
Seal it, seal. Well, something drop. Seal it, seal, so they're more creative than her. But you got help from them, so let's see. face when she's acting is so obvious. Like, it don't come off natural. No. Just so extra. Hey, wow, long distance relationships are hard, but if you can love, trust, respect, and support each other, never get free to all of that. But I'm sure she's saying that it can work if you love, trust, and whatever each other.
Alright, how is it going? Is this part of the video?
Yes, I'm actually shooting a scene right now, like giving a sneak peek.
Alright, and you have like 2 hours to go.
Yeah, that's a lot of time, you know.
Oh, you're not worried?
But you always have like a idea from you set the challenge, but I just have to flesh it out. So me know me that how me know why me want to be like in conclusion. You get me? So it was just me to just start work on it and start put. So I never really start from the start. I start from the finish to get on there. So yeah, I don't have the finish. So I just will find the missing part for the body and the, you know, yeah.
Don't get that.
1 hour to go, ladies and gentlemen. 1 hour to go. And I'm about to head now back to the social house to upload to their system. Let's go.
Just my luck.
Yeah, I really don't understand why these girls don't wash their lashes. Just looking at Petite Sue's lashes, I'm looking at her lashes, and I'm like, oh my god. You know?
After 11 now, I'm on my way to the house. Me now get stuck behind one tractor, you know, the yellow something, and it just a drive slow, so drive slow down the road. And of course, when you're in a rush, things like this
always happen.
The taxi, the taxi did late. The taxi, Lord, the taxi, slow me down. Wait a second. I am here. I am here. And I made it in time.
She's so extra.
Hey, Mom. Mommy, we gotta make a shooting. We gotta make a shooting right now. I have to go. I know you feel neglected, but we're in the middle of shooting, so I'm have to go call you back here.
Okay, darling.
Alright.
Love you.
Alright.
Don't shoot anybody and kill them, so.
Okay, Ma. Well, it's been an interesting 24 hours and I'm feeling relieved. The whole heap of pressure off my man sweat. You see it? Yeah, so the pressure relief, but I'm excited about it.
Me too. Let's see yours.
Long distance love, some of you for me. Long distance.
What the hell kind of wig is that, China Key? Okay.
Long distance love, long distance love. I'm in need of your love, but you're so far away, and I want you here with me. I'm in need of your love, but you're so far away, and I want you here with me.
Hi, what's up?
I'm alright.
You know, messaging you before bed, but I wasn't getting you, so I didn't know, like.
I had a really long day, baby.
Oh, what did you do?
I was on the road all day in traffic, and the sun and everything is just.
I'm gonna take some rest right now.
Okay. Alright, no problems. Alright, bye. Let me just give you a kiss.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, bye.
No love at all. Come here. Come here.
You see her in your bed. What is this? Yeah, you know, Yana, everything. Who is she? Oh, you freeze. You're freezing. That on the phone is not freezing. A fool to take me for that on the phone is not freezing, boy. That on the phone is not freezing. A fool to take me from I can't believe.
Love this. Love this. I love this. Come on, China K, you could have act a little better, but this is still so good. Like the concept is so good. Love that. It's way better than what's your face's own? Petite soon. I don't mean it in a way.
Yeah, I was still recording and editing up to this morning, you know, because I said endurance is the key again, so it's not for the swift. You understand? So feeling quite confident. I can't wait for you guys to watch the production. You understand? This is the first challenge I've actually done like a production like this. So it's exciting to see how you guys react to it.
Let's see about that. I want to see this. Hurry up.
Come here, girl, let me give you some long distance loving. I don't really see you often, but every time when I see you, I give you this something that you can love for this long thing. Long distance loving.
Hello. Oh, welcome, babe.
Yes, I'm here in Jamaica right now. I'm here in Jamaica. I'm coming over.
Oh, you're
to
there. That's dope.
Yes.
Reach quick.
Oh my god, the flight was so annoying, okay? Listen to
Real?
the flight so annoying. There's so much pothole. It was so rough. But I'm coming over to you right now, okay?
I joke, man. So you come now,
Yes,
now?
I'll be there.
No, Yafa.
In about 20 minutes.
Alright.
Cry.
In about 20 minutes.
Yo, woman.
Mr. Muma, you there?
Here we go, sir. I'm here.
Watch your mama. The girl just far from fine, you know. You get me, I say. She dep on her way.
What is it?
You deaf? I say my girl I come from foreign and she dep on her way.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, you there? You there, go?
Who must have gone like a idiot now come guy here?
Jesus Christ, you there?
Jesus Christ, woman. Get yourself.
Come on, man, stop the ramping.
Ramping, you just nearly pop it a while ago.
Jesus Christ, I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. Excuse me now. I can't believe this. Jesus Christ. I waste my money by saying ticket. Jesus!
Yeah, China Kate definitely won this. Let me tell you why. Her editing alone, the way she edited that video, yeah, the fact that she's drawing through the TV, definitely, no doubts. I have no doubts. China Kate, yeah, girl, you take the cake. We did that. Us females, yeah, we did that.
Hello influencers, China K, Petite Soup.
I love this stuff, Rush.
How are you? I am doing well. I am very, very happy for you guys. Congrats on
like
getting to the finals of the Social House. How was the challenge?
It was interesting.
Yes, it's good.
That's why China K is a positive because she did so good. She did so good.
Have the scores.
So you have the scores to give you.
Right now, right here. Are you ready for them?
What I know, we're nervous.
We're
nervous.
No, who will rule? You have to find out who will rule.
Or so she's gonna come with some other challenge, low key.
Just do this all the time.
No, you uploaded to the Flow Drive. It was reviewed and the results are in. So in third place.
Oh, let me tell you, in third place is definitely Petite Sue. And then the guy. And then China K. Like, no. It's a no-brainer.
Guys, really? On expect me for come a finale in a this? I don't expect
Yo, I want to, man. I want to, man. I want to, man. I want to, man.
This is not the finale. We need them to go, beard off, dust off on the feathers, come back in on some nice clothes, and then I will give you the final results. Yes.
Suppose I remember poop on so. Suppose me do poop on so. Where that's for no reason. Because I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
I have no place here.
Jesus
Guys, we'll
Christ.
have the results at the finale of the Social House. So pack up, get your outfits ready, and I'll see you guys there.
Check out this. Check out this. Alright, no. Keep it this today. Yeah, Prince. Love. Alright, see, I swear it was Prince. Wow. Those feathers look kind of feminine. I don't know how I feel about that. Maybe if I saw him in it, but it looks, I love his shoes. It looks really nice.
One thing I know for sure is that this...
No, not these feathers. Not these feathers. No.
Show with the nice, without the dynamic personalities of our influencers. Big ups to the OG influencers, TC, Quiet Perry, and Fat Skull. And of course, you know, you have to big up the last wild card, Dan.
Hi! What is for me? I say one of the time them, the aisle splash on the doll. Remember I tell what I talk about, you know?
Yeah,
so you know the doll ball out and she not Dovey Magnum.
Bye.
Mucha, how many? No man!
Freak out.
Mighty God of Daniel, Jesus. Come on, boss. My God.
TC was too much. Love her though. One thing with Rohan, he was always so good at like trying to follow instructions properly. Just so you know, in
everything has a dear. I will say this to Wayne.
Just
I want to record this because I've commented it on social media. I want to let your face. It is very important what you're doing in terms of showcasing Jamaica as a man, the relationship you have with your voice.
Yes. I love that he was able to vocalize that too.
Love.
Yes.
and teach them how to express themselves into certain ways. You
Right.
kiss your son. You understand? It's so important. I mean, I have to commend you for that because enough man wanna be, yeah man, you have to act.
Yes.
I have to commend you for that 100%.
So the driver is here. I'm going to go up in our car.
You can't trick me!
Hey, Rohan always had an idea of what was going on. Lovely. Fat Skull was really struggling with that.
Fat Skull, him just in a space, I don't know.
Fat Skull and that cooking challenge. Can't be that.
Fat Skull is at 11 out of 60.
Yo, remember all them laugh at 5. Oh, them wicked stuff.
Let me say.
And I love that he always like surprise people. Nobody ever thought that he would have come on top
15 minutes
on
to
the
write a song.
exterior challenge, not the ones on the inside of the house. So big up to you.
Kinda challenging.
Pressure wang wang. Outside.
We nice, we come. Let's go come. We done now. Remember, say we are go far now. Thank you, Miss. Miss Single. 5, 6, 7.
I didn't even see that part.
Busted.
What is she doing? Oh, I never see this part.
Oh, bust it out!
Busted.
What are they
Busted. If you funny. Never go lower, Busted.
Poor Charity. Oh God. So yes, when I do this, you know.
Bright and early.
No, I would have eat this if him come wake me up.
Him go on down there, him go enjoy
Oh my God.
So nobody have to wake him up. You know what I'm saying?
You want FOF?
15 seconds.
He was really trying though.
Chicken, man! Chicken! Time is up.
I was here and I feel like I'm here, not just only for the competition, but just to, gel with beautiful people in our house and learn different
food,
Perry, Sue, out of YouTube, and China Cave, one of my friend up on TikTok, and just vibing with creatives and the space. And that alone I think I thought, and I still feel like it's priceless.
That's good.
You know what I mean? I get to bounce energy and bounce this and bounce that. So it's good. So when I buy things, I left the house, I'm gonna get nothing. And I kind of get my family. You know what I mean?
How you feel like you're gonna leave me now?
I don't feel no way about to darling God no. You never feel no way either, girl. Hello? You're crazy. I'm coming tall. Suppose it's a running challenge at the finale. But I lent you.
Done.
I said.
What's calling? Nobody want to. Oh, God.
No, look for Dan and.
What am I on?
I came to your ambassador.
What am I on? Can I eat?
Show me the band.
Finger licking.
Show me the
whole
band.
finger in them, boy. How much finger you use?
Hey, me eat, me play with my food. See, me play with my food. Me eat
You
my
wanna
food.
play with your food?
You was playing with it today though.
You wanna play with your
5
food?
finger only one chicken.
You wanna play with your food?
No, me play with my chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Oh.
Chicken?
Certain things
play
you don't
with.
play with.
Bit get play with.
Spin your clip.
Me love reality TV, so I know what you guys out there thinking, Why rush to hurry up with the results, man? Guys, patience is a virtue. Just settle and see, so I have it for you. But before we go any further, let's hear from our amazing sponsors because this show wouldn't be possible without them.
Congratulations, Petite Sue, China K, and Prince Pine. Your
She's so
creativity
pretty.
and consistency was noteworthy throughout the competition. You did an excellent job with the competition. As part of the prize, Proven REIT Limited is prepared to offer the winner of the competition $1.5 million off the purchase of a unit at Via at Braemar. Best wishes on your future adventures.
Congratulations to Petite Sue, Chiny K, and Prince Pine. You have successfully ruled the house by being finalists on Jamaica's first social experiment, the Social House. It has been several great weeks of entertaining and engaging content. Watching these dynamic and creative influencers has been nothing short of exciting. Sagicor Group Jamaica is proud to be a partner and supporter of this innovative program. Commendations to the creators, producers, and executives behind the Social House. Thank you for investing your time and energy into our own people and for delivering a world-class production that is accessible by all to enjoy. Congratulations, Social House, and to everyone who made this show a reality and the success it is.
Yeah,
on behalf of Stewart's Automotive Group, we'd like to say a big congratulations to the finalists, Chiny K, Petite Sue, and Prince Pine. Big up, guys. Congratulations to the finalists and good luck.
Congratulations, finalists, on ruling the house. Cran Water, the water with wow, is delighted to have been a part of a show that showcases our true Jamaican talent, creativity, and sportsmanship to the world. We look forward to season 2 and remember to always celebrate your wow moments.
Congratulations to the finalists. You have made it this far. This most definitely calls for a celebration. You have all demonstrated true tenacity, steadiness, competitiveness, and determination.
Love that.
We here at Boom want to give you a hearty congratulations. Remember, always keep your energy up.
Hi everyone, my name is Chris Hine. I'm the CEO of JN General Insurance, a proud member of the JN Group. And we're here today to congratulate the Social House finalists.
Nice.
Chiny K, Prince Pine, and Petite Sue.
All right, we definitely know say. You did have to study that. You see how slow you take it? Chiny K, Prince Pine, and Petite Sue. Yeah, man. He did well though. He crossed the finish line.
Each of you will receive a 3-month shorty motor insurance policy.
Did I mention that I'm in that ad? Yeah. I joke. But yeah, guys, I'm in the ad. Check it out.
A JAA black card and a $5,000 gift certificate towards a JN Life critical accident policy.
Okay.
My 15-year-old daughter, however, was much less equivocal when I told her that I would be making a short guest appearance on the Social House. You're going on the Social House, she said incredulously, obviously much more worried about my effect on your brand than your effect on my brand. But now I'm a big fan, I'm going to follow you all, and my daughter's going to show me how.
Hello. So I would like
cool.
to congratulate the finalists of this season of the Social House.
Senior
Chiny
Director.
K, Petite Sue, and Prince Pine. As the official technology partner, Flo is pleased to support this exciting new series, which showcases some of Jamaica's most trendy influencers.
She's definitely reading. I'm sure they're all reading though, right?
Because this show wouldn't be the major success it is without you. Thank you. If you're a true Social House fan, you know it's 2 things we always have. Updates and surprises. And so we couldn't close off the season without a final surprise. And thanks to our sponsor, Proven Reach, we made it happen. Run the track.
So guys, producer them call me today and tell me say, yo, I have a sponsor's courtesy call
from one of our sponsors, Proven Reads, and I'm here waiting.
Why Chiny K, everybody looks so... Jesus, Chiny K. Chiny K. Whoa.
We're waiting, them draw me out of my house.
So my day are approving right now, and it's the rain or shine. Them are gonna get it done. I don't know what this is about. I'm not nervous, but
they're full of surprises, so I'm just here waiting.
It's always something with them. So let's see what's up.
Kind of twist and
I
turn.
like her nails too. I like Chiny K's. Sorry, Petite Sue.
See that I light to go away.
Hi, Chiny K.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm great.
My name is Alicia Senior. Welcome to Proven Read.
Thank you.
I'd love to tell you some more about what we offer here at Proven Read. Would you care to take a walk with me?
Sure, I would love to care to take a walk with you. Okay.
She said, I would love to care, but I really don't. But I'm just like kind of doing this because it's show business.
I don't even know what's going on. Oh, I didn't even see that.
Well, I just want to say congrats on making the final. I'm really proud of you. Don't lose. Please don't lose. But I'm so proud of you regardless. Just remember, you're essential. You matter. You make everyone laugh. Everybody loves you. You're super sweet, super funny. So I just want to say good luck in finals. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
We just want to wish you all the very best. Just know that we're so proud of you, so happy for you. I know that you are amazing and just talented and just continue being beautiful. And we wish you all the very best.
And we hope you win. We're rooting for you.
Bye. Love you.
Love you too.
This is cute.
Sending you all my love and best wishes and positive energy. You know,
Sure. We can't manage, you know.
Don't be afraid right now. Like,
It's her
you
twin,
love
pretty
Fred too
much.
You have this, that. This competition was literally made for you. Hello, influencer of Jamaica. Alright, so what you gotta do is you gotta make sure you come home with the 1 million. You want some. So just keep your head in the game. You got this. Good luck.
Just go and pick up yourself.
Wow, her mom is so
strong. You know, I'm here for you in whatever you do. Wherever you go, wherever you do it. You know, strength comes from here, so. You understand? 150%. Me give my all. Just go out there, shine for all. We never know, make them see. You little bit, but you're talawa. Yes, so. Show them say you're representing. Look how much because anything you put your mind to, you know, you come out victorious. So here what? Go out for the win. How the win you go far. So take it.
We can't. We're done.
Oh, this is her hubby.
And there's no saying no competition. In that competition. Right.
The man have a big nice screen, like big
Social. What time it is? You see me, a one nation government.
Not up on the people that stay
Right,
at.
this one have step forward.
Right.
The millions are reaching their bank account. Charlie.
Social House, big up on yourself. You guys are a sweet team. I appreciate it. And just hearing those encouraging words, I definitely feel like we know.
Even if you know it, you feel like you win. Love that.
What is that? Sassy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Big up yourself for making it to the finals of the Social House. Congrats, bro. Rooting for you. You know you're going.
Oh, this is nice. You know, man.
Congratulations, you're not going to reach in the finals.
What if?
What if? Social House business, yeah. Yo. No, you can't do this, no. Zimmy. You broke some foot and everything there. Not literally broke foot, you know, but broke some foot. You have more strength, you know, more love.
To work hard, do not underestimate anybody, and you will reap the winnings. Stay blessed. Love you.
Love you too.
Congratulations, Kaylin.
What Jesus?
What Jesus?
You can do this. Just chase those crazy balls out of town. Go get them. Go get them, boy. I know you can do this.
Hi, Daddy.
How are you today?
I like you today, guys.
Thanks for being the best, Daddy.
It's the ice cream.
Just bring up some ice cream.
I'm so proud of you, Daddy. All the best.
Bye, guys.
I love you. We're proud of you. All the best in the finals.
Oh, Jesus. Don't do this. Okay.
Aww.
Don't do this.
Aww.
Don't even get them people the number and them things. You know, got a little bit emotional there.
Aww,
I know
me
bad man
too.
really too get emotional.
Yeah.
I didn't expect this at all. Isn't it? So yes. I'm gonna make you guys proud, I don't know.
Yeah.
Even if I'm gonna come off on top, you know, I'm still on top. You get me, I say so.
Yeah.
Thanks for the love and support, guys.
That was
Love
so
you.
nice.
I'm excited. I'm really excited that, you know, everything is about to come to the final moment to decide the winner of the Social House. I'm excited. I'm getting things prepared. You know, the nails, the hair, the outfit, which is getting made, of coming decked out from head to toe for the finale. So I'm really excited and kind of nervous at the same time, but
yeah, it's kind of key. See them eyebrow here? I forgot. China K. China K, you know what the makeup? I see it the other day in the mall and you looked so beautiful. I don't know who do your makeup. But I know you can do your thing, but China K, who's ever do your makeup that's so? China K, them bitch up your eyebrow. Or maybe you did rush and do it, but China K, don't do this, man. The eyebrow them, girl. No, man. Especially the right one right there, so. Well, her left eyebrow. No, China K.
But I just can't wait to see who will win.
So right now, all in my mind is that, you know, I'm gonna put on my nice little dress, do up my makeup, do up my hair, and may the best person win.
Yes, girl. Just like the big screen. Ooh, ladies look beautiful. Love that. Yes, girl. Ooh. Who is?
Roomies, welcome to the stage. The singer of the jingle, who will rule the social house.
You know, I really don't like the fact that they put Rush Cam in that gloves and the girly and I really love it. Wow. No, it's not no.
The one, the only, Agent Sassy.
Something on the single. Social
House. Sassy body look firm up a while ago when stepping out to the beat. You know that all these. My body firm enough. Hey. Hey. So we might perform too. We can't see what I'm behind the camera. I really like Agent Sassy because he's a vibe. He's a bop.
The reveal of the winner of the Social House Season 1, China K, hot girl, lady in red. How you doing? Dazzle them. The lady, the beautiful.
I love that dress, China K. You look beautiful. Sue looks beautiful
And
too with her short
Stornamo
tail.
Roses, the man, the prince, Mr. Prince.
I really love China K's dress.
All right.
And he looks nice.
So how are you guys feeling? Everybody good?
Yeah.
Good spirits?
Good spirits.
All right.
I really love China K's outfit. She looks beautiful.
I will announce the winner. It's the moment. The winner of $1 million and the winner of Social House Season 1, China K.
I mean, I don't know what we were expecting though. China K should really come out. China K girl, to come right out. I'm so proud of you. Congrats. Yeah, you deserve that, girl.
Congratulations, China K. And great job to our runners-up, Petit Sue and Prince Pine. China K will receive her check of $1 million from Tiffany Lawson of Sagicor. Congratulations, China K.
You know the singer of China K?
I'm a winner.
Congratulations. Congratulations. I'm gonna hey, Jackie there. Oh, yes, you're
I
believe it's all over. One season in the bag.
Yeah.
Guys, we appreciate every watch, every like, every share, every subscribe, and we thank you so much for your support. Thanks to our sponsors and thanks to our roommates for making it possible. Until season 2, thanks for watching The Social House.
Rush came on that damn outfit. I don't like it. I don't like it. Anyways, China K, big up you, girl. Big up you all the while. And big ups to the other influencers. As I say, when I make the show what it is, it would not have been what it is without you guys. And China K, she really stick it through though. Like, you know, she was one of the first persons who came in, and I'm very proud of her. Big up you, China K. All the best. I hope you do something good with that $1 million, and you know you spend it properly. And yeah, we're just out here. It's late. I'm tired, and Social House was a bop. It was a bop. It was a nice little bop, you know. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the Social House. As I said, I don't really know if I'm gonna be, you know, like, let's see how season 3 go, because as I said, like, they use some of the biggest influencers, and I don't really know what it's gonna be like the next time, because as I say, like, I mean, I don't mean to ramble. I'm not gonna ramble. I'm not gonna do this. The video is already too long. So thank you guys so much for watching. You didn't have to, but you did. Let me know what was your favorite episode of the Social House season 1. What was your favorite outfit? Listen, Rush Cam come out with the outfits, but me never like the finale outfit. I really like the top that he had on when he was announcing, like fake announcing who the winner is, but me not like that feather something. It struck me more as something where maybe if it was around the neck, I could have maybe backed with it. But where it was, the feathers were, it seemed kind of feminine. Like them said, just wear it, man, and rock it. You know, just rock it, Rush Cam. You are Rush. Like them boost him up and say, Rush Cam, you can do this. And them say, just rock it. And rock it he did. Maybe some people might like it, but me never like it. But the other contestants, they looked beautiful. They looked lovely. I like everything else. Well, I never like the gloves for Rush Cam. But hey, Rush Cam is a gem regardless. But I just never like the outfit in Rush Cam. Love it too. Love it too. But no, I just never like it. Wasn't. Yeah. Anyways, I just don't for Rush Cam and the outfits and trying to keep on her left eyebrow. And yeah, I can't really say nothing about Petit 2 makeup because Petit 2 always interested in makeup up. And you know, Prince Pine always been seeing him just come out and he looked nice at the finale, you know? What, semi-formal? Or I don't know. He looked nice. As I always say, the Social House was a great production. Rain or fall, breeze a blow, chicken batty out the door. And I'm going to stop rambling because this video is long already. Thank you guys so much for watching once again more. And I will see you guys in my next video. The Social House was above. Later.